little town. It's a quiet village. Every day like the one before. Little town full of little people waking up to say bonjour,
Bonjour.
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 There goes the baker with his tray like always. The same old bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning, Belle.
Good morning, Monsieur Jean. Have you lost something again?
Well, I believe I have. The problem is I can't remember what. Oh, well, I'm sure it'll come to me. Where are you off to?
To return this book to Père Robert. It's about two lovers in fair Verona.
Sounds boring.
Look, there she goes, that girl is strange, no question.
Dazed and distracted, can't you tell?
Never part of any crowd, cause her head's up on some cloud. No denying she's a funny girl, that Belle.
Bonjour, good day, how is your family?
Bonjour, good day, how is your wife? I need 6 eggs, that's too expensive.
There must be more than this provincial life.
Ah, if it isn't the only bookworm in town. So, where did you run off to this week?
2 cities in northern Italy. I didn't want to come back. Have you got any new places to go?
I'm afraid not. But you may reread any of the old ones that you'd like.
Your library makes our small corner of the world feel big.
Bon voyage.
Look, there she goes, the girl is so peculiar.
I wonder if she's feeling well.
With a dreamy far-off look and a nose stuck in a book. What a puzzle to the rest of us is Belle.
Oh, isn't this amazing? It's my favorite part because you'll see. She meets Prince Charming, but she won't discover that it's him till chapter 3.
Now it's no wonder that her name means beauty. Her looks have got no parallel.
But behind that fair facade, I'm afraid she's rather odd.
Very different from the rest of us.
She's nothing like the rest of us. Yes, different from the rest of us is Belle.
Look at her, LeFou. My future wife.
Belle is the most beautiful girl in the village. That makes her the best.
But she's so well-read, and you're so athletically inclined.
Yes. But ever since the war, I felt like I've been missing something. And she's the only girl that gives me that sense of...
Je ne sais quoi?
I don't know what that means.
Right from the moment when I met her, saw her, I said she's gorgeous and I fell. Here in town there's only she who is beautiful as me, so I'm making plans to woo and marry Belle.
Look there he goes, isn't he dreamy? Monsieur Gaston, oh he's so cute. Be still.